The XLSM file type is an Excel sheet that contains macros, code. Macros can be dangerous. Only open this if you trust the sender 100%. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the code safely. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read an XLSM file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. An .xlsm file is a macro-enabled spreadsheet file used by Microsoft Excel. It's similar to the standard XLSX format, but allows for the inclusion of Visual Basic for Applications, VBA code, enabling automation and custom functionality within the spreadsheet. Opening XLSM files requires caution due to the potential security risks associated with macros. The XLSM file format is based on the Open XML standard and contains data organized in rows and columns, along with formatting, formulas, and embedded VBA code. When opening an XLSM file, Excel prompts the user to enable or disable macros. Disabling macros prevents the execution of potentially malicious code, enhancing security. The developer of Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Corporation, created the original specifications for XLSM. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows shows only limited details, so meaningful interaction depends on Office or spreadsheet tools. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your XLSM file and choose Open With. Test with Microsoft Excel first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. If the XLSM file won't open, don't panic. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific XLSM error occurs on most Windows systems. First, enable macros. When opening the file, ensure you click Enable Content in the security warning bar to allow the macros to run. Next, check Trusted Location. If the security warning persists, save the file to a trusted location, File, Options, Trust Center, Trust Center Settings, Trusted Locations. Finally, use Open and Repair. If the file is corrupt, go to File. Open, select the file, click the drop-down arrow next to Open, and choose Open and Repair. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.